The B2 AIR is a compact, pneumatic deburring system designed primarily for rounding and deburring edges of steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other similar materials. It's especially useful for preparing edges before painting. Here are the key details. Max bevel width 2 mm, 0.08 inches. Bevel angle 45 degrees. Rounding radius 1.5 mm, 0.06 inches. Speed 23,000 RPM. Air consumption 320 liters per minute. Weight 400 g, 0.88 pounds. Dimensions 112 by 60 by 48 millimeters, 4.4 by 2.36 by 1.9 inches. Cutting inserts 3 PCS included, with several additional options available for purchase. This tool is highly ergonomic and lightweight, making it ideal for prolonged use in a workshop setting. It's also compatible with machining holes from an internal diameter of 7 millimeters, 0.27 inches. The B2 AIR comes with operator tools and a user manual,